onto something here. I don't know what it is. Oh, well, I thought I'd let go then. Be nice if it was another snapper.
Oh yeah.
So
You got a stingray.
no.
I'm joking.
I thought it was stuck to the bottom then. So this is my new rod I got for my birthday. And I got that shovel-nosed ray on it before, and I hadn't caught anything for 2 hours, so I didn't get to feel what the rod was like. But feeling this fish on it, it's feeling pretty good. So we're going to end up needing a net. Oh yeah.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
I don't want to put too much on it because I don't really know what it is. If it's,
We've got a light line.
flathead. We got 10-pound braid and 20-pound leader. 4.0 hook. And we're using live pillies. It's a bit close to the motor there.
The light.
Yeah, you can get that light and get ready to shine it down in the water. He's staying down deep. I don't know what this one is. So I'm not going to tighten the drag because...
Do you want me to come up and over or?
Nah, I'll let you know when I see some colour.
He's deep, isn't he?
I'm loving this rod. Maybe it could be a baby stingray. Oh, we got colour. We got another shovel-nosed ray.
You!
And it's a big one.
Oh, nice.
He's a big one.
Whoa.
Look at the size of
Holy.
that.
Alright, what are we doing?
I reckon he'll take a run again in a sec, so just hold on. 2 shovel-nosed rays in one session.
What do you want? That? Do you want to give me the rod? Or not? Give me the rod. You're going to need 2 hands to lift that. Give me the rod. I've got the rod. I've got it.
Damn, that's... Holy crap.
Oh, nice.
That's about 6 kilo.
So you engulfed it as well. Oh no, the hook's just there. You want the pliers? The hook's just there. Push over that side. That's it. I got it. Nice.
Look at that for a shovel-nosed ray. You want to take that net, please?
That way, I'll move that out of the way as well.
We'll measure him. Holy crap.
95.
95 centimetre shovel-nosed ray. They are such good eating too. A lot of people say no, they're not good eating, but they are just delicious. Look at the size of him. He's about
95 centimetres.
95 centimetres, but he's about 6-7 kilo, I'd say. Maybe even 8.